Chuck E. Cheese, here I come. Not so fast, Tornado Bro. You have school today, so let's go. Oh, okay then. Well, Tornado Bro, I hope you have a good day at school. Goodbye. Okay, probably another tough day at school. What is going on in class today? Just great. I just got a chance to see Mr. Dallas the day he got me expelled for watching porn in class 7 months ago. This is a bit too tough.
A tornado bro, isn't it?
Oh hey Hurricane Bro, just getting into class. What is it? Alright, I guess we should get into class, or else we will be late.
Hey there, Mr. Dallas.
Man, hey there guys, just take your seats.
Wait. I know what I'll do. I'll just ask Mr. Dallas if I can use the bathroom. Then I just teach the school except for Hurricane Bro lesson for getting me into trouble by doing something.
Sorry about that, class. Anyways, we're going to start the day by solving some math tests.
Mr. Dallas, can I use the bathroom?
Sure, Tornado Bro, but be quick. Lesson is about to start.
Thanks.
Well, that went a bit better than expected. Wait, I know what I'll do. I am going to teach everyone except Hurricane Bro a lesson by flooding the school.
Bro lesson by flooding the school. Ha 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 ha.
I bet this is how it's done. The dumb way. Using goanimic logic. Now to clog the toilets. Now turn off all the sinks. Now I just hope we don't get in trouble. Hey, why is there deep water being flooded in school? This is bad. Hey, Tornado Bro, what did you come to my office for? Did you just create the deep flood?
I might have.
That's it, Tornado Bro. I will evacuate the school from the flood and then I will call your parents. You are suspended for 3 months. Attention all students and teachers. All of you got to evacuate the school. Why? Because the name of the bro character named Tornado Bro has flooded the school. Hello? Is this Tornado Bro's mom? Your son flooded the school and made the school evacuate from the deep flood. Oh my freaking gosh! Thanks for contacting us. This boyfriend is so grounded for all eternity. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? Yes, I see it too.
What is it, Mom?
Well, Tornado Bro, is it like 2 ambulances as parked in front of the school? And most likely, you nearly made most students surrounded in the flood. You are so in deep mega trouble ever. Tornado Bro, I can't believe you just flooded the school today. You are grounded for 999 years. Go to your room right now or else we will send you to Georgia.